Hey guys, just got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. My first one, trying it out. Learning curve for sure. Anyway, I'm going to be starting to post some metal detecting videos on my YouTube channel. Little Hustler, Lilhustler. I think I spelled that right. No, Hustler. Hustler. There we go. So we're going to be posting some metal detecting videos. I got a mount that goes on the metal detector so I can do some live digs so y'all can see what I'm getting out of the ground. Got a new metal detector coming. It's a Nokta, N-O-K-T-A Impact. It's going to be a pretty high-tech metal detector. It's got a lot of features on there I can adjust. And so that's going to be a learning curve. I used to metal detect for the Midwest Artifact Society years ago, but I kind of got out of it. So I just got a new spark interest. So I want to get back in it, so I'm getting me a new detector, and hopefully I can take you guys along with me and you guys can see exactly what I pull out of the ground. And also I'm going to be doing some video blogging on the Harley I just picked up. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. So I'll be taking you along when I'm going for a motorcycle ride, get some cool videos of that. Of course, my friend's always telling me I can have video footage when somebody cuts me off. Hopefully that's not the case. But anyway, so I got this used GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's in great condition. Came with 3 bags of accessories. And then the lady was like, "You want a free GoPro Hero? We don't use it." I'm like, "Yeah, sure." Twist my arm. So I got 2 cameras, 150 bucks for everything. Thought that was a pretty sweet deal. So anyway, so I'm filming in 4K now. Hopefully the video comes out good. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's Little Hustler, Lil-Hustler. Please subscribe, and hopefully I'll be putting up some metal detecting videos and some riding videos. So until next time, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my channel, please. God bless. You guys have a good 4th of July. Be safe out there. Till next time. Bye-bye.